At first, I thought that the dry dining will be not suitable for us, especially as a Muslim, we don't drink the beers and all, right? But then having the dry dining, like putting our buffet tray for our guests, so we can put all our food spread over there.
My name is Mohammad Rozali. I work as a technician.
And I am Nurfizan. I am admin executive. We actually don't really have an inspiration. I mostly look around from YouTube, Pinterest, all the ideas. And when I came to my ID, I told him we have no concept. So the only thing that we want is to have our house in grey, black and white, that's all.
I'm Zi Jian. I'm the designer of this house, 520 Woodlands. I'm also the senior designer in theiplanstudio. First thing when my customer come to me, kakak abang come to me, is that they want a whole house renovation, 5-room major renovation. We need to make sure we create a comfy feeling, a home feeling. Okay, I merge the limewall painting element into the house. We make the house more soft and warm when we enter the area. When I do the planning of this house, I noticed that the dining will be just center of the house. So when you come into the house, after you enter the foyer, it will be just dining space there. So I want to make sure that when people walk around, they won't feel cramped. For me, it's like a bonding moment. So I want to keep the bonding element inside of this house.
His idea is to have that little chiller just to give some surprise for the kids lah.
So the kitchen is actually like in a very odd shape, and also they have a service yard. So I try to, when I enlarge the kitchen, I hack down the storeroom and then I make half of it into kitchen, half of it into the foyer area. So they have enough prepping area for the kitchen, and then the flow is right. So what comes to me, just to make the house looks cleaner, I decided to convert HDB house into condo house. So there are a lot of details we need to do it. Like how we join the tiles, how we hide the drainage piping, and then how we hide it cleaner, and then but still we maintain the simplicity in the house.
I really wanted to showcase my watches. So Zi Jian recommended me to have a drawer type where you can pull out, and see all those watches slotting inside their watch slot, which I really like, and it fits nicely on all the watches that I have now.
How many watches do you have?
Total, currently I have 40. 40 watches, all fits nicely.
I want it to be like a happy moment for him. So when he wake up every day, he go and open up the wardrobe, then he can see all his collection. Also, it will be like a show-off moment when all the family come to the house, and then he can walk through them, the design and the layout of the house, then like roughly open the door, and then he can say, hey, this is just my collection lah.